If you need a high-precision microscope for detailed work, the professional Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope 3.5x or 90x is built for serious inspection, repair, and lab-level tasks. Right away, the Trinocular design is a major advantage. It lets you view through the eyepieces while also attaching a camera for recording or live display, perfect for documentation, teaching, or professional workflows. The magnification range from 3.5x to 90x gives you excellent flexibility. Whether you're doing fine electronics repair, jewelry work, or biological observation, you can easily zoom in for both overview and detailed inspection without switching equipment. Optically, it uses WF-10x eyepieces with a 0.7x or 4.5x zoom objective, delivering clear, sharp images with good depth perception. The included 0.5x and 2.0x auxiliary lenses expand your range even further, either increasing field of view or boosting magnification depending on your setup. The double-arm boom stand is another big highlight. It allows wide movement and positioning, making it easier to work on larger objects or adjust angles without constantly repositioning your sample. Lighting is handled by a 56 LED ring light, which provides bright, even illumination with minimal shadows, critical for detailed work like soldering, engraving, or inspection. In real-world use, this microscope is ideal for electronics repair and PCB work, jewelry making and inspection, watch repair and precision crafts, lab and educational use. Just keep in mind, it requires some desk space due to the boom stand, and setup may take a bit of adjustment to get the best focus and lighting. Overall, this is a versatile, professional-grade stereo microscope that offers strong magnification, flexibility, and clear imaging, perfect for anyone who needs precision and reliability in close-up work. Click the link below for the best price.